Back guys to this YouTube channel. This is Mars Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you'll be setting up X-RP Tunnel VPN on any network. So guys, don't forget to give me a subscription, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. So as usual, the first step, I'm going to be downloading this VPN application on my Google Play Store, X-RP Tunnel. And that is the spelling X-RP Tunnel VIP. We have that one, but I'm not going to be setting up the VIP part. I'm going to be setting up Tunnel VPN. So I'm coming right here. Then I install that application, and after installing that application, I'm going to open it like that. You guys forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So the interface will be looking like that. Remember this server which we have been before. The mistake you guys have been doing is right here. That is where most people have been failing, and you have been complaining that these applications are not working. Yet they are working, but you guys don't want to complete these videos to see where your mistakes are. I want you guys, when we are setting up these applications, you follow step by step. Maybe it is even good you have two phones, the one where you are watching this video and the one you're going to be setting. You guys have been setting applications for different types of people and have been eating the money for free. I'm directing you guys to eat money. So that is also the server, and we also have that one. That is the server, and you have the location. The first step, we are going to be visiting the update, this one. Make sure to click that button. It takes only 1 minute to click it, and today you see this one that no updates available. So going to the server, auto server, come where we have the random server, and make sure you click that random server. That is the only server that works randomly. It selects randomly the fastest. Don't choose any type of server because some servers may be offline. So I'm going to be coming here where I have the location. Let me show you where I'm going, because most people have been complaining that you don't direct us. I'm going right there. This server, which you are seeing here, it works on MTN South Africa, but the reason why I made this video, I'm setting this application worldwide on any network. I'm going to click all like that. I'm going to be seeing this server. We have the all country free UDP. Just click on that server, and you come right here where we have the start button. Click on the start button, and then you will see that it has connected with only one tap. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I remain Mars Tech.